Your Word documents aren't as private as you think. In this video, you will learn how to make them private by creating a password. Let's get started. Click File. Click Save As. Browse the location to save your file, e.g. desktop. Type the file name. If you are creating a password for an already existing file, maintain the previous file name. Click Tools. Click General Options. You can create a password to open. This prevents anyone from accessing the contents of your file unless they have your password. The other option is password to modify. In this case, the file opens, but when the reader attempts to save any changes to the content in the file, Word asks for a password. Okay, for now, let's create a password to open. Word will ask you to re-enter password to open. Enter the same password as before and click OK. Click Save. Now let's try to open the document. You see, it requires a password to open. If you don't have the password, you will not be able to open this document. To remove the password from the file so that anybody can open without being asked for a password, follow the same procedure, but this time leave the password to open field blank and save the changes. This time, it doesn't require the password when someone attempts to open the file. To learn more of these skills, just make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out on these free tutorials. Drop a WhatsApp message to enroll to my one-on-one program and become a pro in Microsoft Office applications for improved productivity. See you in the next one.